Today's feature is on the TLV Toyoace cattle truck from the Toho Famous Car Series. The Toho series cattle truck was released in 2006, and today I shall compare with the previously released TLV cattle truck. Let's take a quick recap at the previously released Toyoace a few years back. The cattle truck itself is highly realistic as expected from TLV. The wheel sets are realistic with suspension and rolls extremely well. Body color is similar to the Tomica iconic Suzuki Carry cattle truck, and what I'm really impressed are the details on the front. The peak itself looks basic, and the proportion is way smaller than the regular Tomica release. I also did weathering on this particular cattle truck that was sold at the charity auction at Singapore Diecast Expo. And now let's take a closer look at the Toho exclusive Toyoace cattle truck. It's presented in the blister pack with the generic Toho Cinema card design. This is volume 2. Behind, a short bio of the Toyoace cattle truck and also the classic movie which features the truck back in 1967. One side of the box features the movie posters. Although the box dimensions are different, the casting is totally the same. The most noticeable difference between the two castings are the wheel sets. Details and specs are exactly the same with just a difference in color scheme. Similar realistic wheel sets with standard suspension for the Toyoace. I like the two-tone color scheme on the body, and when compared with the previously released Toyoace cattle truck, they make a great pair. Peak-wise for the Toho series are very basic. I do not really like the make nor the painted eyes. I think the later version of the peak is better. Overall, the TLV cattle truck is a mirror of the popular red box release. These cattle trucks are also a great variety to add into the TLV series and also in our collection. Stay tuned for more TLV unboxing, and remember to head on to my second channel, Hot Customs Unboxing, for more contents. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section, including my bio, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone, bye!